Okay. What is that word? What does it mean? I'm afraid. Hi, James. Ah, it's a plant. It's really pretty. Wait. Look at how pretty. That's that word that Bandit guessed. I like them. Very pretty. Oh my gosh, Nat. I just saw the picture in Discord. That is very curly. James, I lost Artemis again. Alright, so I just have the last 2 feet here to sew down. And ooh, gosh. Afterwards, I know that I have Cat's Commission and I have Sleepings, but neither one of them are here today. So, I mean, what would you... Oh, large Artemis camera. Do you all have, like, a preference of what I work on? I could get started on trying to make a giant snail, or I could go, like, grab my knitting. She is. She is. She went in there during a level 3 hype train, which was honestly, I can't blame her. No cats here. Yeah, she saw me in my hat. And was like, absolutely not. I will not be here. So I have a couple of things that I'm working on for a special limited